front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. If font size on your HONOR is not comfortable for your eyesight, here's how to fix it using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and tapping on display and brightness right away. Now scroll down a tiny bit to tap on font settings. Finally, operate this slider under text size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!